Mama Mira. Wow! The sky is bright and lovely today. It's a sunny day. It's a good time for a walk. Or I will have a picnic. Oh, I'm ready to go. Wow! Look at all these beautiful flowers. Oops! Butterfly! Hello there, Mr. Butterfly.
Hello, Mira. How are you?
Great! I feel so warm today. I'm having a picnic. Do you want to come with me? Hello, guys! Come on! Mira is so happy about this sunny weather. There's nothing to be happy about in this world. And now, butterflies are talking, animals are following her around. Everything about this defies science. Oh, I hate it! But science is power. I'm gonna make it rain. Excuse me. When the hot air rises, and meets the cold air in the atmosphere, rain will form. Tiny droplets are starting to form. It will rain soon. Oh no! The sky is getting dark. It looks like rain! We better hurry before it rains hard! Rain is not so bad at all!
Hello, Mira. Having fun?
Of course, Mr. Frog! It's so much fun to dance in the rain! What is wrong with her? Rain makes us cold and wet. That's why I don't bath. What is that smell? Oh, it's me. Anyways, let's see if my next plan will still make you happy. The rain stopped all of a sudden. That's weird. That's not so bad. Now my silk clothes are all dried up. Thank you, Wind! She's so perfect and happy. She loves the windy weather. Gonna make a little tornado. Guess I'm not so bad at all. Excuse me.
Hi, Mommy Bird. You seem worried. Well, my nest is on the tree, but with this strong wind, I cannot transfer my nests all at once. The wind will just drag us and put us in danger. Would you help me, Mira?
Okay, I will save your babies, Mommy Bird. Hello, baby birds. I'm here to save you. Here you go, Mommy Bird. Your babies are safe now.
Oh, thank you, Mira.
Aha! I'm gonna make snow. Because adults like me don't like snow. Because it's cold, it's slippery, and it makes me slow. Get ready, Mira. I'm coming for you. Excuse me. First, I'm gonna pour all this oil into this glass. Next, I'm gonna make a mixture of white paint and water. Let's add this mixture into our oil. Now, let's add this snow tablet into our mixture. Now, Mira's world is covered by snow. It's snowing? Cozy!
Whoa!
Yay, snow! What's wrong with her? She's happy again? Oh, this thing! I need to clean all this now! I hate snow! Remove all this! What? Hi there, neighbor! I saw you earlier cleaning your front yard, but you were feeling cold. So, I decided to share my soup with you. I hope you like it. Achoo! Excuse me. This is delicious. Mira has a kind heart. From now on, I'm gonna be a good scientist.